on the storm.
Oh, hi guys. So we've had a pretty interesting week. I've actually got to get all this stuff out and put it on the ground because this week we're going to see if we can run the Starlink wires up into Patty's office. She works up in here. But we've had a crazy busy week. Patti chipped her tooth, and we didn't think anything of it. We thought we had a little bit of time to take care of that. She flew over to California for her company for a couple of days, which is kind of rare. Came back and started complaining about one of her teeth was starting to ache. And so then we lost a family member. My sister-in-law, my brother's wife for many years, passed away. She got cancer about 4 years ago. They said she had 3 or 4 months to live, and she made it 4 years. She's really was a sweet lady and a fighter, and she was with us for a long time, and we're grateful to God that she was able to hang on with us. But at any rate, because of Patty's tooth, we decided to come back over here by Los Algodones.
Los Algodones.
Los Algodones.
Algodones.
Yeah. English is my first language. But anyway, they're really good over there. So we went down. I'll show you some pictures of the high-tech dental that we use down there. They're going to do a root canal. They've already done some work, cleaned out her tooth, and they're going to do a root canal, put a cap on it, and it's all $690. And we just love it because you call them and they have the whole doctors and staff come in and they always do a really good job. They're really clean, they're really professional, and they're a lot less expensive. So that brings us back here to the LTVA where we know we can get in for free. So that's where we are. We're sitting here, and then we have some more doctor's appointments, even our own regular doctor's appointments, that we found a good natural doctor, natural medicine. What do they call him, Patti?
Naturopath.
Naturopath, yeah. And she's really good. So we're here getting some scans done on our sides, and just looking at our bodies, and then she's going to run some blood work, and then so we're sticking around here for a little bit. Then we're going to go up to don't tell me, Lone Rock for 2 weeks, and you gotta watch that episode because a lot of people have gone up there, but you're going to get our perspective and our point of view of it, which we think will be kind of neat. Anyway, that's all I gotta say for now. I gotta get this stuff pulled out and get ready to cook dinner because we're gonna have pizza tonight on the grill. So I got to get all that out, and then we got to run some lines. So I'll talk to you again. And action! Oh, that's the kind of action we wanted to see. This is my coach. Say hi.
Bye.
And this is his
Mrs. Coach.
Mrs. Coach, the Musselman's, the boss.
Hello.
Hello.
What else do you want to say? What brings you over to our neighborhood?
We just come over to see how your lovely wife was doing. Does she still look like a chipmunk?
She does. That's kind of cute, actually. Okay. In a non-cute sort of way. Yeah. Which gets her all angry at me when I tell her she's cute.
I was just going to say, is she in a good mood for company?
Yeah, she's okay. She just had to go put some more
stuff.
Put some stuff away. We'll leave it there. There she is. See? Come on over here, Patti.
Make sure you're doing okay.
Well, basically, it's you never thought you'd see a chipmunk in the desert, did you?
I can tell.
Yeah.
I can tell from the other side.
You want me to hit the other side?
No, whoa!
Balance it out, It's
No, but it's definitely.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah.
It goes all the way
up to here.
Yeah.
To here.
Your cheek looks a little rosy
too.
Yeah,
it's rosy. It's red. There's definitely inflammation in there, so I'm on an anti-inflammatory and an antibiotic.
Are you putting
ice?
Something cold? Okay.
So, tell me, before I turn this off and tell me 3 things you like about the LTVA and 3 things you don't like about the LTVA.
Okay. I like the cost. I don't know of any other place that you can stay for 7 months for $180. I like the fact that we have some place to dump and get water. I like that we can get our mail service or a mail from a mail service. If we want, we can go over and use some showers, and it saves on the water from the tanks of the rig.
It's not too far to town.
Yeah,
It's a big town. so you can get
we're
stuff.
only 20 minutes or so from Yuma, which just about anything that you need, you can possibly get there.
I think that's a lot of the high points. Now you have to do negative ones.
Well, this year I have to say has been the worst year for people with pets not being on a leash. I know she was out walking our dog and she was charged 3 different times because the dogs were not on leashes. It's been the worst year for people not adhering to the quiet hours, 10 to 6.
I think there's a lot of new people out here, and I know there's a brochure you get when you come in, the rules, but they're not following them. And so you've got a lot of people who haven't done it before. They don't know how it works. You know, they don't know what's expected of them. I mean, you tell them.
And ours is being, I'm gonna go shut him up.
My dog's being noisy now too.
And the wind, Dennis, say the wind.
The wind? Oh, I love the wind. I just wish when it was 90, it would blow that hard. I don't know what it is. It drops down into the low 80s or into the 70s and we have 50-mile-an-hour winds.
Right.
When we really could use it on these 90-degree days, what do we
95,
get?
97, have a nice wind storm come in.
Yeah, I understand it would be blowing hot air, but at least it's blowing, you know.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, Dennis is going to leave us and go shut up his dog.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Coach, and what we found, or what I just happened to see today, is this. And we know that if we leave it like that, get a real bad rain or whatever, it's probably going to get water up in there. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to put this putty glue, and we're going to put that up inside of there. Okay. And then we're going to use these countersink.
Pilot countersink. There you go.
We're going to use these, this here, to start the holes with this, and then I'm going to put the screws in right behind that. So that's how we're going to try to fix it, and you can just. And we're going to try to do it in the hottest part of the day. And that's how we roll.
That's how wide the board is up in here that you can screw into.
Oh.
See what I did? I stuck it
It's gotta
in,
be on that
stuck
edge.
it in, I pulled it till it stopped, and then got up next to this edge, turned it so you've got that much right there
To move.
to screw into.
Okay, I'm going to cut this off.
Ow!
And put some putty up in here. Wow. Okay, I had to speed this up because it was long and tedious, and you know, any of these videos, the vlogs that you watch where it takes forever to do a project and you're like tapping your foot or wondering, come on. But put this putty in there all the way across this seam, and what really blew my mind, on all honesty, was there was just like a soft carpet, like, not even a carpet, almost like curtain type material, black material, that is really all that's laying across the bottom of this, and it's going to come unraveled, and I don't know if it's going to cause any problems, but that was mind-boggling. That's all that was down there. We actually did a search real quick and found that a lot of RV magazines recommend Keystone as one of the top builders of.
No. Then go a little further back. Further in, this way. There you go.
That didn't feel right either.
doesn't feel right.
All right, well, try it.
Okay, now as you can see, I fast forwarded it again, but we put in some screws real short, screwed right into, I think in a couple of places it was metal, but flat so that it won't rip across anything, we hope and pray. Cleaned up the glue all around, wiped it down. It's supposed to dry for like 24 hours. We'll go out and check it here in a little bit, and hopefully this will keep the water from going up inside. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this video vlog up for this week. This is us walking into Mexico to get some dental work done for Pati. So I wanted to walk through with the camera going all the time so you can get a feel for what it's like to cross the border. But there's a lot of agents, I guess because of the current situation in the world, COVID or whatever. There was just a ton of officers down there, so I didn't carry my camera across, but I wanted to talk about high-tech dental again real quick. This is where we ended up. They did an excellent job. We'll be back there again next week to finish things up, and we think it's worth it, including getting the meds and the things that we need on the other side of the border. It's all worth the trip. Thanks to all the good folks down in Mexico for all you guys do.